The Rediminx is a puzzle produced by Moyu that costs $9 on CubeCZ, about £7. It is a 12-sided version of the Redi cube, produced after the huge success of that puzzle. In this video, I will go over my thoughts about this cube and discuss whether you should get it. This puzzle is too small. It is about the same side length as a Megaminx, with side lengths of 32mm. This may not sound that small, but consider that when doing a turn, you use 3 fingers, one on each side, so you handle it in such a way that you need the puzzle to have large pieces, like the Redi cube does. The reason you have to grip the puzzle fully with 3 fingers to turn it is because it has very little corner cutting, so you have to line up near perfectly to do a turn. This is made harder by the fact that the cube is very loose, so some turns can half happen without you really intending them to, so this just adds up to the turning being annoying. So the hardware is really bad, but what about the solve? Well, it is really easy, just like the Redi cube. It is just a 12-sided version of the Redi cube, so it solves very similarly. However, unlike the Redi cube, the edges can be the wrong way round, but this doesn't really add anything to the solve. It just means that sometimes you have to cycle a piece fully around the side to turn it around. The solve takes about 5 minutes and is really just doing the same thing over and over again. It's not a huge challenge to solve. If you can solve a Redi cube, which you probably can even if you don't have one, you can solve this cube. So, would I recommend this puzzle? For most people, no. The solve is not really very fun, just a bit tedious, and it is made even more annoying by the substandard turning. You probably won't enjoy solving this cube and won't use it often, especially since it takes 5 minutes to solve, so it's not really that good to just mess around with. The price is pretty good, but it doesn't matter because the cube isn't. The idea of having a more complex dodecahedron Redi cube is really nice, but in practice, and in this case because the turning's bad, it doesn't really work that well.